All right, at the red light here in this undisclosed location, which one of these three cars do you think is gonna get the whole shot? Now bear in mind, they've just come from a car show, so everybody is revved up about driving fast. You have the BMW, the Chevy truck, or the Ram. Place your bets now because we're about to get the green light. Oh yeah. And then hidden behind them is this Dodge. Talk amongst yourselves as we wait for the green light. All right, here we go, folks. Oh yeah, and there's a little Audi that's back there too. But I'm curious about these three at the whole shot.